Hello and welcome to Roanoke Hobby and Electronics. In the next couple of videos, we're going to take a look at a product that was recently on Kickstarter, and it's an Arduino-based gaming device. That's the Kickstarter units are shipping now, and you'll be able to pre-order on their website. And I do believe quite soon they're going to be offering the units for sale in retail stores. And here's what the Arduboy looks like. It's a credit card size with a OLED monochrome screen, a nice plastic cover, and a metal back, and has a lithium polymer battery, rechargeable battery, and actually quite a cute little device. So what we're going to do in the first video here is we're going to go over some of the steps on getting this set up and loading games onto it. Here's a close-up of the developer kit that was available while the Kickstarter campaign was running, and this gave people the ability to start writing, start coding the games, and having something to run them on. And we're just going to switch out the units here. And we're going to jump to the website here next. And so if you go to the arduboy.com and click on community and guides, they'll have a quick start tutorial to kind of step you through. Now, you know, if someone's watching my videos previously, you probably already have the Arduino IDE, and through the tutorial, it's really kind of stepping you from the absolute beginner point of view, and they go over like a couple of different ways to program it, but the easiest one is to go to the Arduino website and get the IDE. And as of the time here of recording, it's on 1.6.9. Now, what I ran into was a little bit of an issue the fall of 2015 when the Kickstarter had launched, and I was working with the developer kit. I had an older version and actually earlier copies of the Arduboy library, and in my experience, and it may be similar for someone else who already has installed the Arduino IDE, it was better for me to go ahead and grab the newest copy, download it, and install it, and actually create a new folder for the sketchbook. But on my platform here, I would download the Linux version and follow the steps to install the IDE. There's the Mac version and the Windows version. Well, once you've installed the IDE, the procedure is quite similar at that point. And we're going to go ahead and just kind of step through some of the things. You can follow the tutorial, but I'm going to show a few of the things that I encountered while working with it. Make that a little bit larger, maybe a little easier to see. So once you got the IDE, you want to go to Preferences you'll want to specify the folder that you want the IDE to use for the sketchbook. And like I said, since I had some earlier sketches, I actually created the new folder, so I was starting from the beginning and having a place to drop in the games for the Arduboy. And with the newer version of the IDE, you have this ability to add the board's manager URL. And so on the Arduino, or on the Arduboy's website, they'll list the URL that you can drop that in. So that's be the first step. And then tools, board, and boards manager. So once you put that URL in, you'll be able to just type in the boards manager, type in Arduboy. You'll be able to see it there. I've already got it installed, but you would have a button there that would give you the option to install the board into the boards manager. And what I selected was the version 1.0.0. And then what that gives you then is the ability to actually see the Arduboy, the dev kit version, and the retail version. And so then you can select Arduboy. And the other handy feature in the newer version of the IDE, you can go to manage, include library, manage libraries, and the Arduboy library then is also there's the different versions. There we go. That's where I should have talked about selecting a different version. There is a 1.1.0 version, but I think right at the time being, I think the 1.0.0 is the best version to install. You have the update button. If you click update, then it'll take you up to the 1.1.0. But for the time being, I'm leaving, and for this demo, I'm leaving the library on the 1.0. So once you've got all those things installed into the IDE, you're ready then to load some games. And the one that's built in under the examples is the breakout. And that's what in the second part then we're going to look a little closer at modifying the code. So we're gonna hack the breakout game a little bit, and it'll give you a chance to see what using the Arduboy library and working with the code looks like. So that's going to wrap up for part one. That's just getting the IDE installed and getting the Arduboy library and the boards manager, Arduboy installed in the boards manager. And then in part two, we're going to look at the code. So thanks for watching. If you find the videos useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. And visit the blog, roanokhobby.info. So stay tuned for part two very soon.